Hello, ma'am. My name is Adik. I am doing an activity of Ina in sound. This is a tin. I am putting blocks in the tin.
Next.
This is a fish. It has fin.
Next.
I win the medal. I'm the winner. Thank you. This is a pin. This is very sharp. We don't touch the pin. Sit on the chair. Pit. So many pit the park. Look there. This is a makeup kit. And this is a doctor kit. Ouch. This is a bite.
Show me now, Sanu. Don't touch. बताओ क्या है?
This is a lid. Don't touch the lid. I doing exercise. I fit my body. This is a heat. We throw the garbage in the bin. I sit on the chair. I hit the ball. I sit on chair. This is the lid. I hit the ball. I fit the on. I'm fit. Hello everyone, my topic is adding sound. It. This is the lid. Doctor says kit. This is the kit. I do hit the ball. I doing the exercise. Exercise. Fit. This is the sit. I sit the chair. This is the sit. And
Sit, sa eat a sit. Fa eat a feet. I am feet.
sit. Kit. Hit. Hello, ma'am. My name is Tarek. My topic name is Ita. It's sound. This is a chair. I am win the prize. This is a pen. This is